Grabe, oy. Malamig. Magpapainit ka na ba? Mga 30 minutes mainit na? Okay. Ayan, mag-sauna tayo, guys. Hintayin natin sila dito. Ayan. Ayan. Mahina ngayon pasukan ng mga ating mga angels, ha? Ayan, hintayin na natin sila. Ah, saan araw? Grabe, oy. Nag-ikot-ikot pa sila eh. Ayan. Just may busy-busy. Ayuda day to day. Ay, ay, ay. So, ito ang raspberry. Yan, mga raspberry dyan. Hintayin natin. Tignan natin yung mga halaman ni Mother, guys. Nasa 18 minutes na pala tayo. Ito yung mga daisy ni Mother. Ayan. Naririnig ko na si Jelana. Nasa libro yung araw. Oo nga. Sinabi mo. Tingnan natin si Jelana, naririnig ko yung boses niya. Ay, may sunflowers. Hindi na maano yung sunflowers. Sana Ayan, sunflower siya. Ayan. Asan kaya? Naririnig ko siya. Thank you, Chay. Anong ulam? Ano sila? Anong ulam, Chay? What happened? How's the game? How's the ride, Jade? How's the ride? What happened to you? Oh, come on now. Huh? Oh, really? By yourself? Oh, wow. Oh, hotdog lang, ma'am. Sabaw ko, kape, gata. Saan yun? Jilana, you have to come back. Don't go far, okay? Hey, don't go to the driveway. Don't turn around. Okay. No, don't do that. Yeah. Okay, good. You can put the snowplow. Where are you going? Wow, Jelana, you wanna play now? Come on. Show daddy, let's go play on the swing. Oh, there's already yellow. I already ate it. Did you eat it? Did you eat it? No. She was saving it or what? I already ate some. There's some yellow I already ate. You have to use snooze, you lose. Ooh, it's cold. Did it get sunny today or no? Oh, really? I know, even grandma said it's cold. Wow, Jelana, that's so quick. Oh, oh. Yeah. How's Jade? Screaming? You too? Did you see Moose, anak? You said you see Moose. Oh, she's there.